Hello class 10th, welcome to your geography class. Today we are going to continue the same chapter, chapter number 7, climate of India. Few exercises were few exercises were left to do. So in today's class, we are going to discuss those exercises related to climatic data, right? And afterwards we will be doing some map work. So be ready for the map work and be ready for solving problems related to climatic data. Okay, children, this is your climatic data. I've written on this board. I have taken this climatic data from your geography book, and this is the last exercise I've taken from your book, which is given at page number 119 in new edition book, and this is given in your book. In old edition, it's given in your book at page number 120, right? So this is the last exercise. Okay. So you need to consult your book. If the board is not visible, you need to consult your book, right? Now let's solve the questions related to this climatic data. Okay, children, I think the board is visible to you. If it is not, I'm going to read out the readings which is written here on the board, right? So in the first column, it's written month. So month here we have January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. It's given 12 months name here. And in the second column, it's written temperature, which is given in degrees Celsius. So temperature to be written in degrees Celsius. That's the unit of temperature. So the first January month, temperature is 12.0, that is 12 degrees Celsius. 25.5 degrees Celsius in February. March, it is recorded 26.3. April, 27.1. May, 30 degrees Celsius. June, you have here 36.2 degrees Celsius. July, 36 degrees Celsius. August, 35.9 degrees Celsius. September, 30.3 degrees Celsius. 28.4 degrees Celsius is October, and in November it's recorded 21 degrees Celsius. 21.0 means 21 degrees Celsius. And the last one, December, that is 16.6 degrees Celsius. So these are the readings, temperature readings. Now see rainfall, it's given in centimeters. Somewhere it's given millimeter also. So you're going to write unit accordingly, right? So here we have centimeter, rainfall in centimeter. So 1.5 centimeter in January, February 0.1, then 0.0 means 0, and April 1.4 centimeter, May 1.1, it is recorded 21 degrees Celsius, 21 degrees centimeter in June, then July 25.3 centimeter, August it's recorded 27.2 centimeter, then 24 centimeter in September, October 9.4, November 1.5, and the last one, December, rainfall is 0.4 centimeter. So this is our climatic data given in the exercise here in your book. It's given in your book at page number 120. So you will find there. Now the first question to be done is, what is the annual range of temperature of the station? So annual range of temperature. So range means you have to, what you have to do is you have to find out the highest temperature recorded. So highest temperature recorded is, that is in July, that is 36.0 degree Celsius. 36.0 degree Celsius. And the sorry, it's not 36, it's a 36.2, because 36.2 is more than 36 degree, right? So 36.2 degree is the highest temperature recorded. Is that clear? Not 36, because 36.2 we find there 36.2 degrees Celsius, and 36.2 degrees Celsius is more than 36 degree, right? So the highest temperature recorded is 36.2 degrees Celsius, and the lowest temperature recorded, that is 12.0, right? 12.0. Now what we are going to do is annual range of temperature. That means we are going to subtract that 12.0 degree from 36.2 degrees Celsius minus 12.0. So it's 24.2 degrees Celsius. The calculation is 24.2 degrees Celsius is the annual range of temperature. So whenever the question comes, like find out the annual range of temperature or calculate the annual range of temperature, then you are going to find out first the highest temperature recorded in that climatic data and lowest temperature recorded, right? And you are going to subtract that lowest from the highest one, and the answer should be in degrees Celsius. This is very important. Degrees Celsius unit is must, right? Now next question is, what is the total annual rainfall experienced by the station? So total annual rainfall, you are going to add all the months rainfall. So what you are going to do is 1.5 plus 0.1 plus 0 plus 1.4 plus 1.1 plus 21.0 plus 25 and so on, and last is 0.4. So you are going to add all the 12 months rainfall, and the answer that's coming out 112.9 centimeter. So this centimeter is must, right? So calculation with centimeter, with unit, that is must. So you add on all the 12 months rainfall. Answer is 112.9 centimeter. Now next we have, why would it be correct to presume that the station lies in the interior, not to the coast, not on the coastal line? So coastal line, we know, as I told you, the definition of the coastal area or the climate of coastal area, that is equable. So equable means not very cold during winter and not very hot during summer. Equable climate. And interior, extreme climate, right? Extreme climate, that means very hot during summer and very cold during winter, extreme cold during winter. So here we have got this annual range of temperature that is quite high, that is 24.2 degrees Celsius. If the annual range of temperature is high, then we can say that, or we come to know that the station has what, or this station has or the station lies in the interior of the country, or interior, right? Lies in the interior, not on the coast, right? But if the difference is less means 0.24, 0.4 degree or 1.4, 2.4 degrees Celsius, if the difference, annual range of temperature difference is that much only, then we can say that annual range is very less, right? Annual range of temperature is very less. That means that the station lies on the coastal or on the coast, right? But here 24.2 degrees Celsius is quite high. The range is quite high. That is why we can say that the station lies in the interior, right? Okay. Okay, now check this out. Question 30, D part. Study the climatic data given below and answer the questions that follow. Months are given here, right? All the 12 months named. Temperature, which is given in degrees Celsius. Rainfall, it's given in centimeter. And here are the readings, right? Now, calculate the annual rainfall experienced by the station. This is your station. And now just see how we are going to calculate annual rainfall. You are going to add all these readings of 12 months, and whatever the total is coming out, that's your annual rainfall experienced by the station. But that should be in centimeter. Whatever answer is, whatever you are calculating, or whatever answer
is coming out, that should be followed by the centimeter unit. Now next is suggest a name of the station, giving a reason for your answer. That will do later after knowing this third and fourth answer. Name the season during which the rainfall is heaviest. Season means whether it's a summer season, monsoon season, or winter season. Okay, let's see. We know the this September, October, November, December. Just see the rainfall here. This is December 19. So maximum rainfall, that is during this October, November, and December, and January also, right? So we can say that the which season, name the season during which rainfall is heaviest. That means winter season. The rainfall is heaviest during winter season, right? Okay, now does the station have a maritime or continental climate? Same here. How you are going to find out whether it's a it has, this station has continental or maritime? That you are going to find out the annual range of temperature. So annual range of temperature, that means the highest temperature recorded, that is 33.1, right? 33.1 minus 23.1. So whatever it's coming out, that is, I think, less than annual range of temperature, that's 10.0 degrees Celsius. So 10 degrees Celsius. So lower to 10 degrees Celsius or up to 10 degrees Celsius, that shows the station has maritime climate. Maritime means equable climate, right? Not continental. Continental means extreme climate. So the station has what? Maritime climate. This second question answer, suggest a name of the station. Now you can answer to this question, that is maritime climate. That means it has equable climate. So equable climate that occurs in coastal regions. So coastal regions, you can name Mumbai, you can name Goa, you can name any coastal areas, right? So you can write here, and reason is this, right? It has maritime climate because it has got less than 10 degree, or it has got 10 degrees Celsius annual range of temperature. So 10 degrees Celsius annual range of temperature, or less than 10 degrees Celsius annual range of temperature, that shows the station has maritime climate. Next, how you are going to find out the calculate or how you are going to find out the annual rainfall experienced by the stations. I told you how to find it out, right? You are going to add all the 12 months rainfall, and it should be in centimeter. And now what is the annual range of temperature? Highest temperature recorded minus lowest temperature recorded, you find out from this climatic data, right? And should be in degree Celsius. Now, on which coast of India does the station lie? Give a reason for your answer. Now, think here. You just read, you just study this climatic data and think. On which coast of India does the station lie? Now, see here, temperature, this is maximum. Heaviest maximum rainfall is during October, November, December. So that's a winter season. So which coast gets maximum rainfall during winter season? You know that in winter, this east coast gets maximum rainfall during winter, right? So this this coast lies in the east coast, because in summer season or summer monsoon season or summer season, this wind direction is like this. So most of the we are talking about the summer season, so most of the rain that occurs during summer season in this coast, but this coast, east coast, gets maximum rainfall during winter season through this wind directions, or through this northeast branch which blows from this Bay of Bengal, right? So this is east coast. Answer is east coast. So east coast, on which coast of India does the station lie? The station lies on the east coast, and this is the reason. You are going to mention the branch name, that is northeast trade wind, and you are going to give the reason also, right? Okay, now next we have
Now, next question is, which is the month where the maximum rainfall occurs, or maximum rainfall occurred. So you just go through this climatic data. Now you see the rainfall column here. So the maximum rainfall is 27.2 centimeter, and it this occurred in August month. So you are going to write August, right? And you are going to write down the rainfall also. Now the driest means no rainfall or very less rainfall. So that is 0.1. So 0.1, that is in February. So you are going to write February month is the driest month here, right? And the hottest month means in this you are going to see this temperature. So we know 36.2 degrees Celsius is the highest. So that month is June month. You are going to mention June because the temperature is 36.2 degrees Celsius. And the coldest month, that is 12.0 degrees, the least here. So January month is the coldest month in this given station, right? Okay, now so hope you have understood this climatic data. Now let's move to some map work. Be ready for the map work. Okay, we are going to do some map work, and the topics to be done today are physical division of India, hills and ranges, rivers, water bodies, longitude and latitude, passes, neighboring countries, and Indian states. So let's begin our map work. So first topic is physical division. So physical division, here we are going to mark the first northern here, the northern wall. So northern wall, you extend from here till here, right? From this north to northeastern extent. So you mark like this. So this is what northern Himalaya, or the Great Himalayan Belt, right? Now this Himalayan belt consists of three parallel ranges. The upper one is your Himadri, right? We call it Himadri. So if you are going to mark Himadri, you are going to mark like this, Himadri, right? Then Himachal, second parallel range is Himachal. So you are going to mark like this. And the third one is Shivalik. Shivalik is the foothill of Himalaya. So you are going to mark like this, Shivalik, right? So the Himalayan range consists of three parallel ranges, Himadri, Himachal, and the third arc is for Shivalik range, right? And if you need to mark Himalayan range or northern great northern wall, then you are going to mark like this. Clear? Okay, now next physical division, that is so here we are going to mark, that is your Thar Desert, Great Indian Desert, which is towards northwestern direction or northwestern side. So this is your Thar Desert, Great Indian Desert, right? Next we have Northern Plain, Indo-Gangetic Plain, Northern Plain. Clear? Now we have Peninsular Plateau, which consists of three plateaus. From here it extends, it's like this. So the plateau is like this. Here we have Deccan Plateau, Deccan Plateau. Here we have Malwa Plateau and Chota Nagpur Plateau. So all together that make a plateau, that is Peninsular Plateau, right? Inverted triangle. Okay, now next, Eastern Ghat and Western Ghat. So here we have Eastern Ghat, which is broader as well as broken, and Western Ghat, this coastal plain which is in the eastern direction, that is your eastern coastal plain, right? Eastern coastal plain, and this coastal plain is western coastal plain, right? Now next we have, next division is here we have Andaman Nicobar Island and Lakshadweep Island. Lakshadweep Island, Andaman Nicobar Island, right? So these are the physical division, major physical division of India, right? So first, northern wall, then we have Great Indian Desert, Thar Desert, northern plain, then we have Peninsula Plateau, then we have coastal plain and island groups, that is Andaman Nicobar Island and Lakshadweep Island. Now let's do this map, do this work using paper map. Okay children, let's mark the physical division of India. So here we have Himalayan range, the great northern Himalaya. So yeah, we are gonna mark like this. Right now, three parallel ranges. So we are going to mark like this. So here we have Himadri. The second one is Himachal. And the third one is Shivalik. Here we have Thar Desert, the Great Indian Desert. Then here we have Plateau, Malwa Plateau. Then here we have Chota Nagpur Plateau. This is Deccan Plateau. And now this is your northern plain, This is your Eastern Ghat, which is broken and broader than Western Ghat. And here you have, should not touch the coastal line, so make it like this, right? And it's going to meet here Eastern and Western Ghat, right? So this is your Western Ghat, Eastern Ghat. Now this plain is your eastern plain, eastern coastal plain, and this plain is your western coastal plain. Clear? Western coastal plain. Okay, next island group, that is Andaman Nicobar Island. So you are going to write here Andaman Nicobar Island, and this is Lakshadweep Island. Clear? Now next topic to be done is hills and ranges. So Himalayan, that ranges we have already marked. Now other ranges and hills are, let's talk about here Aravali range. So Aravali range is just parallel to this this boundary, right? So here this is Aravali range, and now we have Shivalik range. We have already marked Shivalik range. Now let's move to the next, that is your Garo Khasi Jaintia hills. Garo Khasi Jaintia, right? Now next hill is, here we have two rivers, Narmada and Tapi. So here we have Vindhya range, and just below it, between Tapi and Narmada, we have Satpura range, right? Now next is we have Nilgiri hill. So Nilgiri hill is somewhere like here, somewhere here. So this is Nilgiri hill, and these are the important hills and ranges. So once again we will revise it: Aravali range, Shivalik range, Himalayan range. Then we have Vindhya, Satpura, Nilgiri, Garo, Khasi and Jaintia. Now let's do this work using paper map.
Okay, this is a Himalayan range which we have already marked, right, in the previous map. Now next we have Shivalik range. So Shivalik range just below this country, Nepal, right? So this is your Shivalik range. Now we have Aravali range. Aravali range parallel to this Thar desert, right? So this is parallel to this boundary. So this is Aravali range. Now we have Satpura range and Vindhya range. So Vindhya range mark like this, then Satpura range. Clear? Now Garo, Khasi and Jaintia hills. These three hills are in your syllabus. So we are going to mark here Garo, Khasi, Jaintia up to here, right? So this is Garo, Khasi, Jaintia. Now next we have Nilgiri hill. So I told you in previous map that the meeting point of this Eastern Ghat and Western Ghat, they meet up here. So here this meeting point is your Nilgiri hill, right? Nilgiri hill, Satpura range, Vindhya range, Aravali range, Shivalik range, and the hills are Garo, Khasi and Jaintia. Okay children, that's all for the day. Soon we'll meet in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy and keep practicing.